thank you so much for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I am sharing how I make my quick and easy pesto zoodles. Zoodles are also zucchini noodles, in case you didn't know that. So starting out, here are the ingredients that I'm using. Of course, you can use fresh ingredients. You can make your own pesto sauce. You can cook your own chicken. This is just what I had on hand. This is some pesto sauce that I picked up at Aldi. Also some Aldi mushrooms and some pre-cooked chicken. You can also easily make this with marinara or a red pasta sauce. This is another one here that I grabbed from Aldi. And of course, my zoodle maker or zucchini spiralizer. There are many different spiralizers on the market. I'm fairly certain this is the cheapest one you can get, and it works amazingly. And because I like to make my pesto sauce a little bit creamier, I like to add some avocado as well. So the first thing I'm doing is heating up my pan to about a medium heat. And rather than just adding olive oil directly to the pan, I am going to just go ahead and put some of my pesto sauce in the pan since that has olive oil in it. A serving size of this pesto is 1/4 of a cup at 210 calories, which I think is a lot of pesto sauce. So I probably used about 2 tablespoons here. And then I added my mushrooms. I did rinse my mushrooms really well and drain the water just to try to get any of that excess salt and sodium out of there. And then I cut up some of my pre-cooked chicken and threw that in there next. And you just want to let this cook over a medium heat for a little while. The key to making good zoodles is to make sure your zucchini does not get too soggy and wet. So that's why I make sure I cook all of my ingredients before adding in the zucchini. And I mashed up my avocado and I'm just adding a dollop of that. Like I said, this is a nice way to make your sauce a little bit creamier without adding a bunch of extra calories. And of course you can add any vegetables you like. I have made this with broccoli. I also have made my own pesto sauce with avocado and fresh basil leaves from my garden. So you can always do that and it is super delicious. All right, and now I am going to spiralize my zucchini here. This spiralizer has a small and big size. I prefer to use the larger one to get myself a little bit thicker of a noodle. And then when it gets down to the end of the zucchini, I like to use a fork to make sure I use as much of the vegetable as possible. And you just want to keep an eye on it, keep it moving around, coat it in your pesto sauce or whatever sauce that you've chosen to use. And you just want to watch to make sure you're not overcooking them, like I said, to where they get floppy, soggy, and wet. I have to take it really easy on my sodium intake, so I didn't add any salt, but a little salt and pepper definitely helps flavor this up a bit. I also added a little extra garlic powder for some more flavor since I didn't use a ton of the pesto sauce. And then I just plopped all this on my plate. This is definitely not a pretty meal, but if you're trying to eat healthy and can sometimes get sick of the same old meals, this is a really good one that you can switch up with different sauces. This whole plate will definitely fill me up. I won't be hungry after eating it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a like if you found this helpful in any way, and subscribe to my channel for videos about cleaning, organizing, DIY house projects, and lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.